Isabel from ScentsIQ. Today, I want to review one of my friend's favorite perfumes, Love Story by Chloé. It is a beautiful, as you can see, a beautiful bottle. I really like it. It's very chic, very classy. Love the little ribbon there. Let's talk about the content. If you like floral fragrances, this is yours. A Love Story was launched in 2014. Again, floral fragrance. Top note is Neroli. It is a very sophisticated, very soft fragrance, so it's very innovative. It's not overpowering at all. So I think it's perfect for everyday wear. For teenagers, I think this would be great as a starter kit because it is very soft, chic, elegant. Again, I really think that if you're into florals, you're really gonna like it. Let's talk about performance. In my skin, it wasn't long lasting. It was moderate. As far as silage, I would say moderate. With that said, if you look at my video on tips and tricks on how to make your perfume last longer, you can actually get good performance and projection out of this. Highly recommend it if you are into floral perfumes. Really like it. Do you have it? What are your thoughts?